Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll do something called random numbers. Random numbers, you can use it to make any games, like if you want to play art or even or basically casino, to get random numbers. Okay, to now to make a random number we'll use a function called rand. Okay, so this is a function which we will use to generate the random number. So let's just get started with coding. I'll take int I and I'll equal it to 0. Then while loop, while I is less than, I'll say 10. And what do I want it to do? I'll just print out the value, printf the value, and every time in a new line. So now I'll just write rand, and okay, so now this function will generate random numbers with I++, so that we can see properly now. So as you can see, it has generated random number, which is 49 and other things. Okay, now it happens at times like you say, hey, I want you to generate random numbers only till 6. So what you do is you put a modulus sign and put a 6, and this will uh, after a very complex algorithm, the number which comes out through this function, it'll find the remainder after dividing it by 6, and it'll give you the number. So there you go, this will generate a random number. Okay, so there's a problem with this as well. You see, now if I take die, there's no 0 in it. So what should I do about it? So to eliminate this 0, all you have to do is just add 1 over there, and the problem is solved. You get a random number. Okay, now that's not it, but there's a problem with it. If I build and run it again and again, you'll see the sequence is same. It is 66556, and if I build and run it again, it is same 66556. And you don't want anyone basically in the casino or anywhere else to, you don't want any human to predict the number whichever it comes next. Okay, so there's a solution for it, um, and the solution for that is seeding random number, which I'll just show you. And to make it a seeding random number, all you have to do is you'll have to write s and type rand, and then type any number, or else if you want, you can make a user to enter the seeding value, and based on that your random number will be generated. As you see, it says 45 and something else, all the big numbers. But the problem still persists, that the values are still same. Now if I just take random numbers till 6 again, then as you can see, the sequence will be same again. So the problem has not been solved exactly. So what we have to do here is we'll have to put something which changes every second. And as I said, every second, so time changes. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to put time over there so that it'll change every time, and put null. Okay, now your problem will be solved because time changes every time, and time changes every time. Wow. Yeah, because time keeps changing, and therefore you'll get different random numbers, and the sequence will be unpredictable. Okay, so there you go. I'll just build and run it, and there you go, it is 24423 now. And if I build and run it again, it is 155333. Last time it was different, it was 24 and something else. So as you see, you can generate random numbers. So these were the random numbers. Play with it, make something out of it, And that's it for this tutorial, guys. Play with it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please, if you have any doubts, leave a comment on the YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe.